This is a audio equalizer circuit with preamplifier. This is a audio equalizer circuit. You can see the volume has broken ready. This one volume, this one balance, volume, then you can see balance, then mid-range, then bass. This one is treble. It has 5 volume. Now I am going to change the volume, which one is broken ready. This is the main volume. Main volume has broken ready for the courier service. Now I am going to take out the broken one and need to use a new one. I am desoldering the volume. Okay. Now I am going to use another one, this one. Need to soldering here. Okay. Later I will make one amplifier using this circuit. This one is audio input. You can see here, you can see one switch, 6-pin switch, but need to use another one. You can see here is the audio input, left and right. Middle one is the ground, left and right. This one is the AC voltage. Center tap voltage need. We can see here is 25 voltage capacitor. That means we can use maximum 15 voltage. Here we can see negative 12 voltage regulator IC, positive 12 voltage regulator IC. This one positive 12 voltage regulator IC. This circuit need positive and negative voltage. Thank you for watching the video. If you want the amplifier circuit diagram, please visit the comment. If you want amplifier circuit diagram and this type of audio graphics diagram, then you can visit the comment link. There have the amplifier circuit diagram and audio graphics diagram have. Thank you for watching the video. electrohelpcare.net